Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Shopify crypto checkout with CoinPayments, full guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the apps section on the left sidebar. Click on the Visit Shopify App Store button. In the search bar, type CoinPayments. Locate the CoinPayments app from the search results. Click on the app to open its page. Press the Add App button to install it. Follow the prompts to authorize the app to connect with your store. Once installed, return to your Shopify admin panel. Go to the Settings section at the bottom of the left sidebar. Click on Payment Providers. Scroll down to the Alternative Payments section. Select CoinPayments from the list of available payment options. You'll be prompted to create a CoinPayments account if you don't have one. Visit the CoinPayments website and register for a new account. After verifying your email, sign in to your new CoinPayments account. On the dashboard, find your API key and public address. Return to your Shopify settings page. Enter your CoinPayments API key in the designated field. Make sure to include your public address as well. Save your changes to activate CoinPayments on your store. Go to your store's front end to test the checkout process. Add a product to your cart and proceed to checkout. Select CoinPayments as your payment method. Complete a test transaction to ensure everything functions correctly. If successful, you've configured crypto checkout for your Shopify store. You can now accept cryptocurrencies as payment. Monitor your transactions through the CoinPayments dashboard. Check for any updates or changes required for your setup regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.